Welcome to the Medical and Health Information Literacy tutorial. This is Layla Al-Hnaini from Saab Medical Library. We have discussed previously in our two previous videos two of the features that are provided by the bibliographic medical databases, the Explode and the Focus. The Explode allows me to increase the number of hits that I'm gonna get because it allows me to select the broad mesh of the mesh tree and everything narrower to it. So I'm adding, or I'm ORing, plussing, summing the number of articles that I have from the broadest mesh to the narrowest mesh without me even selecting each and every one of them. Focus, which allowed me to select only the articles that are heavily talking about the specific mesh. So I'm selecting the major meshes there, which decreases the number of hits for me. Another feature for me that allows me to decrease the number of hits is the subheadings. There's a set of subheadings which is specified for the drugs and diseases. They are shown as here. In layman language, let me explain it. If the indexer receives 100 articles that are talking about cancer or neoplasms, the mesh, and they saw that 50 of those articles are talking about therapy. Now, this is not right numbers, but I'm just giving an analogy to make the concepts clear. 60 about the diagnosis of cancer and 90 articles that are about prevention and control. As a researcher, you are allowed to select either 50 or 60 or 90 or 50 plus 60 or 60 plus 90, any of the subheadings. So all the treatments out there about cancer are in the 50 articles, or the diagnosis processes are under the 60. So as well for the 90. You see, the summation is not actually 100 because there might be an overlap. So in one article you might find cancer as a mesh or neoplasms with therapy as a subheading or diagnosis. Or you might find cancer with therapy or prevention or diagnosis or prevention or the three of them. You're allowed to select all of them or any of these subheadings, and by that decreasing the number of hits that you are gonna get.